Hey there, welcome back to another informative video. So recently ChatGPT has been launched on Android. So in this video you'll know how you can set up your ChatGPT account and use it easily. So let's see how you can do this, but if you are new to the channel then make sure to subscribe and leave a like. So let's start without wasting any further moment. So first here I have opened the ChatGPT. You can download it from Google Play Store. So after opening it, it will prompt you to open your browser, any browser which you can use on your device. So here I have clicked on Chrome. So after that it will prompt you to put your name and date of birth. So after putting the detail, click on next option. So after clicking on next option, it will ask you to put your phone number to verify your account. So after putting in your phone number, it will ask you if you have WhatsApp account or not. You can answer it by clicking on yes or no. After that, choose the mean from which you want to receive the verification code, for example on WhatsApp or through SMS. So after that, click on send an SMS to receive a verification code and verify that code by putting it here. Now it will give you some basic info, so click on continue and now you are ready to use ChatGPT easily. Now type in your prompt here and you can get your answers quickly from ChatGPT. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video then do give it a like and make sure to subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.